Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to setting up React with Vite. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal and then make sure that you already have Node.js and NPM installed on your system. Check by running these commands node-v for Node.js and npm-v for npm node package manager. That's it. I already have installed node.js and npm on my machine. If you don't have installed it on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install node.js and npm on Ubuntu or Linux. Let's create a new React application using Vite. Now navigate to a directory where you want to store the newly created application. I am going to create my application into my desktop directory. So I am going to navigate to desktop. Okay. Now write this command to create a React application using Vite. npm create Vite at latest, then hit enter. Now enter the project name, my case my hyphen app, then hit enter. Now select a framework. I am going to select React by down arrow key, then hit enter. Now select a variant. I am going to select JavaScript, then hit enter. That's it. The application has been created successfully. Now navigate to the application's root directory by cd. Now open this application with any text editor. In my case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Now install the necessary dependencies using npm install command. It may take a while for installing the necessary dependencies. Okay, now run the development server using this command npm run dev, then hit enter. The development server running on this URL within the port number 5173. Now open this link. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.